morning, students. I hope you all are doing well at your places, and today we'll be studying about noun gender, right? Gender, we all know masculine and feminine. So let's just begin with this. Over here, we'll be giving some examples, and it will be definitely topic will be clear in your mind. So let's just begin. So the title of our chapter is the noun gender, right? Each language have three genders of noun. You just write down and take the help from your teacher. That is masculine, feminine, and neutral gender. So you just read and understand that Avi is a boy. Avi एक लड़का है. Payal is a girl. Payal एक लड़की है. And he writes a letter with my pen. वो मेरे पेन से एक लेटर लिखता है. And students should respect their teachers. बच्चों को teachers की respect करनी चाहिए. And now in the above sentences, Avi is a boy, right? And Avi or boy, they are the names of males. Males का नाम है. So a noun that is the name of any male person or animal, of course, it is known as the masculine gender, like boy, man, father, horse, etc. Payal is a beautiful girl. ये क्या है? Female. Payal and girl, of course, they are the name of females. So a gender, a noun that is the name of any female person, and of course animal इसको हम बोलेंगे feminine gender, like girl, woman, mother, mare, etc. Right? I write a letter with my pen. मैं पेन से लिखती हूँ. This letter and pen, they are the name of the lifeless objects. इनमें कोई जान नहीं है. So a noun that is the name of a lifeless object, इसी को हम बोलते हैं neutral gender, like pen, paper, pencil, blackboard, chair, etc. Right? So students should respect their teachers की respect करें. Over here, students and teachers, they are the word which can be used for both males as well as females. So a noun that is the name of a person, and of course an animal that may be either a male or a female. It is said to be a common gender, like parent, sibling, friend, etc. Right? How we can form a formation of the feminine gender? There are three ways of forming this feminine gender, and some feminine gender, they like change of word. जैसे boy का girl, right? Brother का sister, uncle का, and of course it's aunt. Bull का it's cow, horse का it's mare, father का we all know it's mother, son का we all know again it's daughter, king का queen, we all know, lord का lady, right? And husband का wife, nephew का niece, भतीजा भतीजी, man का woman. एक ही man के बारे में बात हो रही है, एक ही woman के बारे में. monk का nun, and deer का doe, right? कुछ फेमाइन नाउन्स होते हैं, दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय एडिंग ESS टू दी मेस्कुलाइंस. जैसे कि एम्परर का एम्प्रेस, देखिए ये ओ को हटा के RESS, राइट? मास्टर का मास्ट्रेस, इट्स मिस्ट्रेस. प्रिंस का इट्स प्रिंसेस. शेफर्ड का इट्स शेफर्डेस, राइट? देन इट्स एक्टर का एक्ट्रेस, एंड टाइगर का टाइगरेस, राइट? कुछ फेमाइन नाउन्स होते हैं, दे आर फॉर्म्ड बाय रिप्लेसिंग अ वर्ड before and after the masculine, right? Milkman का milkmaid, boyfriend का girlfriend, peacock का peahen, and manservant का maidservant, right? There is a quick short recap in English. Gender of a noun, of course, there are 4 types: masculine, feminine, common, and neutral. And we can make feminine by the following rules that are written above. Moving on to the exercise, first we'll be doing tick the correct options, right? The gender of a noun basically denotes what? Both male and a female. This is a masculine gender, horse का mare होता है. This is a female, vixen. Common gender क्या है? Teacher और friend both, क्योंकि teacher भी male हो सकती है, female हो सकती है. Similarly for the friend. And this is a neutral gender, that is bag. You have to write down the feminine gender. Emperor का empress. King का we all know it's queen, right? Gander का it's goose, I think. टाइगर का टाइग्रेस. मॉन्ग का नन. हंटर का हंट्रेस, राइट? कॉक का भी ऑल नो हेन. सर्वेंट का मेड. प्रिंस का भी ऑल नो इट्स प्रिंसेस, एंड बुल का इट्स काउ. So that was all about genders, right? Please go through this and please keep revising the previous concept and stay blessed. Thank you.